We make a lot of assumptions that actually we just need to go and ask the right questions to the right people and really value the answers. It's that coming back to that thing, which is there's no point in asking if you're not going to do something different on the basis of the answer.
When I tell an adult something, I want them to try and fix the problem and make things easier for me.
I think the first step is, for that moment, you have to make them the centre of your universe. So no other distractions, no eye on one thing, eye on another. You make them the centre of your world. It's actually like you would in a really meaningful conversation with someone else as an adult. So I work as a doctor. I make a rule that for the first few minutes of every consultation, I make sure that that patient feels like they're the centre of my universe.
Normally when an adult's listening to you, it's normally easy to tell because they'll be looking at you in eye contact and really taking in what you're saying.
But also listen with intent. Listen in a way that makes them feel, you know what, I am something here. I am a person. This person is listening to me.
Positive relationships between adults and children is crucial to taking forward a rights-based approach. If we are expecting children to sit down with us and help us think about how we do things, how will they do that unless they trust us? So they need to trust us that we'll listen, they need to trust us that we'll hear what they're going to say, that we'll believe what they're going to say, and that we'll do something about it. So I work in public health, and part of what I do is look at health and well-being of children and young people. And I think that if we start with children's rights, the other stuff will fall into place. Because if we want to learn about children's lives in order to make them better, the people who know best about that are children. It can sometimes feel a wee bit scary going into a room full of children to talk to them about something. But if we just sit on the floor, sit down with the kids, have a chat about something that's important to them, we'll hear what their experiences are and we'll learn from them. And likewise, they'll be able to hear from us. So I think as adults we miss out a lot because we don't have those conversations with children. We talk about what we do for children, we don't necessarily talk about what we do with children. And if we give more adults opportunity to sit down in a safe space with kids where they can just listen and chat about things, actually I think it'd be one of their best days at work.
Some adults will take it seriously. Have a sense of humour.
I think some adults are frightened because they think that if they adopt a rights-based approach that they're giving up all of their rights and all of their power, where in fact they're not. So trying to get adults to see that taking a rights-based approach is part of the work we do around prevention and early intervention, and to embed that within our education system would be one of the best things we could do.